Away they go. Santiago from the outside, friendly fire. Away we go. And Devil in disguise down on the inside. Friendly fire. Away we go. Devil in disguise, Santiago. My chic. And by the rails fly, other fly Dome. Perry Fink racing in 7th position. 8 belongs to Winning Habit. All reliable. And Okie Dokie. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Friendly fire by a long nose on the outside is away we go. Devil in disguise down on the inside. Santiago Dome Perry Pink together by fly other fly my chic all reliable Okie Dokie, and the favorite Winning Habit is now running at the tail of the field. Away we go. Devil in disguise Santiago friendly fire Dome Perry Pink fly, other fly, as the action swing towards the long. Nice stretch run. Away we go in the middle. And on the outside is Santiago, Devil in disguise, Dome, Perry Pink, and friendly fire. Winning Habit also rushing up and nearing the finish line. Santiago, a long shot. And by the rail, away we go. And Winning Habit, and finally, Santiago. Winning Habit, Devil in disguise, away we go, and for your Fantafecta, Dome, Perry Pink.
Oh, sa